Right, moving on, Air India flight AI-186 operating from Vancouver on the 23rd of December was delayed after a cockpit crew member was offloaded just before departure following safety concerns raised by the Canadian authorities. An alternate pilot was deployed in line with safety protocols. Air India has said that the pilot had been taken off flying duties pending an inquiry and that the airline is fully cooperating with local authorities. The airline added that any confirmed violation will attract strict disciplinary action, as per company policy. This, remember, comes after Canada's aviation regulator, Transport Canada, flagged a serious safety concern involving Air India and asked it to submit response and corrective measures by the 26th of January. Following a complaint by the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, authorities allege that the captain reported for duty under the influence of alcohol at the Vancouver airport. Transport Canada, in a letter dated 24th of December, said that 2 breathalyzer tests conducted by the RCMP confirmed that the pilot was unfit for duty. The regulator said this incident amounts to violation of the Canadian aviation regulations as well as conditions of Air India's Foreign Air Operator Certificate enforcement. Remember, the enforcement action by both the RCMP and Transport Canada is likely in this matter. And our correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai. Take a look.
Right, Transport Canada has asked Air India to investigate an incident which involves one of its pilots identified as Captain Saurabh Kumar. He reportedly came on duty under the influence of alcohol. In fact, the incident came to light when before boarding, the pilot do have to go through the breathalyzer analysis and the test. In fact, when it was done on the pilot twice, he failed during those tests and he was declared unfit for travel. So he was immediately removed from the flight and a replacement crew was immediately set in, but that of course led to a delay as well for the passengers. Now what we understand that the authorities have asked Air India to submit a detailed report by 26th of January about the findings as to what really came out of it and the corrective action that needs to be taken against the pilot here in concern. In fact, Air India in its response has also stated that they are cooperating with all the details with the authorities as well, and they also have zero tolerance policy for such violations. This is Disha reporting for WION from Mumbai.